Regular expression. In this section we will talk about the regular expression. What is a regular expression? We will go in depth with some relevant examples. So first let me do introduction here. What we mean by the regular expression. So according to the simple definition that we have, regular expressions are used to process the expressions and make them clean. It is actually the cleaning process where we clean the expression. So the expressions which we use to clean the data are called the regular expression. This is the basic definition of the regular expression. Don't worry, we will see in examples that how we can use a regular expression. This is just a simple introduction. Let me show you that how many regular expressions we have. Table of expressions, matching and extracting data. This table of expressions will be used for matching and extracting of any kind of data in the Python program. If you see this symbol, it matches the beginning of a line. This dollar sign matches the end of a line. This dot sign matches any character. Backslash with a small s matches white space. Backslash with a capital S matches non-white space character. This sign repeat a character 0 or more times greedy. It considers greedy. But when we put the sign of interrogation with the multiplication, it represents the repetition of a character 0 or more times. It is non-greedy. Plus line repeat a character 1 or more times. It is also greedy. But when we put the sign of interrogation with the plus sign, it repeat a character 1 or more times. It is non-greedy. Look at here. If you see this symbol, in the regular expression, I'm talking about the regular expression. In the regular expression point of view, this symbol matches the beginning of a line. If you want to match the beginning of a line, you have to use this symbol in the regular expression. And this is the dollar sign. Dollar sign matches the end of a line. In the regular expression, when you see this dollar sign, it matches the end of a line. What about the point? If you see the point in the regular expression, it matches any character, any kind of character. It just simply matches the character. If you see the point in the regular expression, and then backslash with a small s, it matches the white space. It identifies the white space in the regular expression. Capital S with a backslash matches non-white space character. Multiplication, repeat a character 0 or more times. Repeat a character 0 means that it may not repeat, but it may repeat more times. It is actually greedy. Don't worry, I'm going to show you practically in example that what we mean by the greedy. But what about this? If we put sign of interrogation, it may repeat more times or may not repeat, but it is a non-greedy. I will show you practically in example that how it is non-greedy. What about the plus sign? The plus sign in the regular expression repeat a character 1 or more times. It is also greedy. But what if I put the sign of interrogation with the plus sign? It is non-greedy. So again, I'm telling you, I will show you practically in examples that what I mean from greedy and non-greedy. This is the table of expressions which we use for matching and extracting data. In Python language. But we have some more expressions. Let me show you some more expressions. If I put A, E, I, O, U inside the closed bracket, it matches a single character in the set. If I put this symbol with a capital X, Y, Z, it matches a single character not in the set. But what if I put A to Z and then 0 to 9 inside the closed bracket? It is the range of characters and numbers. This opening parenthesis shows where the string extraction is to start. This closing parenthesis shows where string extraction is to end. Now look at here. If I put A, E, I, O, U inside the closed bracket, it matches that specific character. So the program will check only these characters out of the statement in the regular expression. If you put A inside the closed bracket, it will match A. If you put A, E, I, O, U or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it will match that character only. But what if I put this symbol with the X, Y, Z? It means that it doesn't match that characters in the set. But what about A up to Z and then 0 up to 9? This is the range of character and the range of numbers. From A to Z is the range of characters in a small. And from 0 up to 9 is the range of the integer from 0 up to 9. like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This small a up to small z, it will measure only the characters in the lowercase, not in the uppercase. For the uppercase, you have to put capital A up to capital Z. And this opening parenthesis shows where the string extraction is to start. It is the starting of the extractions. It shows. But what about the closing parenthesis? You can see that where the string extraction is to end. It is the ending point. We can see that where the string extraction process ends.